Many people want to study in Germany with a scholarship, but most people don't understand how the process really works. Some think Germany is completely free, others think scholarship are automatic. In this video, I will explain step by step how scholarship in Germany actually works, the documents you need, the biggest mistakes you must avoid. If you are serious about studying in Germany, make sure you watch this video till the end. Yes, scholarships in Germany are real, but they are not automatic. Germany is popular because many public universities don't charge tuition fee. That does not mean studying in Germany is free. You still need money for living, cost, health insurance, rent, and sometimes block accounts. Scholarships help cover these costs, and that's why they are very competitive. There are three main types of scholarship in Germany. The first type is government scholarship, and the most popular one is DAAD, DAAD. The second type is university scholarships, which are offered by individual universities. The third type is private or foundational scholarships, usually funded by organizations or companies. Most students make the mistake of applying to only one type. If you want a better chance, you should apply to multiple scholarships. Now let's explain the application process step by step. Step 1 is choosing the right study program. You must first apply for admission to a German university. Scholarships usually come after admission, not before. Step 2 is preparing your documents. Common documents include your academic transcript, CV, motivation letter, and sometimes language certificate like IELTS or German. Step 3. Step 3 is applying for the scholarship separately. Many students fail because they don't understand that university admission and scholarship application are two different processes. Step 4 is respecting deadline. In Germany, every 1 day late means automatic rejection. Let's talk about the documents. Your CV must be simple and academic. Your motivation letter is very important. This is where you explain why you choose the program, why Germany, and why you deserve the scholarship. Your academic transcript must be clear and official. The first mistake is applying late. The second mistake is using generic motivation letters. The third mistake is trusting wrong information from social media or agents without verification. If you want to succeed, always rely on official university and scholarship website. My final advice is simple: start early, plan well, and don't rush the process. Germany rewards preparation, not desperation. If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification.